Hi guys, in this video guys we are going to be trying pop art chicken for the first time. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So come with me as I try pop art chicken for the first time. Hi.
Yes. Where do you go? Right here? Okay. The name, please.
Derek.
Alright.
This is your chicken combo.
Okay. How many?
4 pieces.
Classic or spicy?
Spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I got. Chicken, brisket, chicken, and drinks. Seafood. The soup comes in. Oh, Brian. Look at biscuit. Let's try.
You're listening to Popeyes Radio.
All this. And fine guys. And the crumbs. So much fun. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you watch the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.